Hi everyone, and welcome to Poetic Art, where we paint, write and express. Today we're diving into our beautiful painting kit, perfect for kids, beginners or anyone looking for a relaxing creative session. Today we're painting something super fun and relaxing, floating bubbles. This is a great project for kids and beginners, and you only need a few simple materials. Step 1. You will need black paint, blue paint, yellow paint, and pink paint. One thin pointy brush and a slightly bigger flat brush. Now, lastly, find 2 different size round lids around the house. Maybe a water bottle lid, or you could also use an empty toilet roll. These will give you the 2 different sizes that you need for the bubbles. I'm using an 8 by 8 inch canvas, but you can use any size you like. This design works beautifully on all sizes. Make sure you also have a cup of water and a piece of paper towel. Step 2. The background. We'll start by painting the background. Take your medium flat brush and dip it into the black paint. Using long, smooth strokes, spread the paint evenly across the entire canvas. Make sure you cover all the edges and corners so you have a deep, even black surface. If you see little streaks or lighter areas, that's completely fine. It adds a bit of texture and depth. When you're happy with your background, set it aside to dry for about 15 minutes. Step 3. Creating the bubble outlines. Now, this is the fun part. Dip the bottom rim of a lid into white paint and then dab off any extra paint on a piece of paper cloth. Now gently stamp the lid onto your black canvas to make a clean white circle. That's your first bubble. Repeat this process using different lids, stamping bubbles of all sizes across the canvas. You can let some overlap and let others float freely, just like real bubbles drifting in the air. Once you're happy with your layout, give it a few minutes to dry. Step 4. Adding color and reflections. Now let's bring these bubbles to life with color and light. Now, pick your thin pointy brush and choose your favorite color. Let's start with the pink. Inside each bubble, paint a small curved line like a soft letter C along one edge of the circle. Then on the opposite side, you could do the same, but not for all the bubbles. So one little stripe on each bubble with maybe one color. Once that is done, you can choose another color. So clean your brush quickly and maybe choose a yellow color and do the same. Sometimes you can put a little dot under each of the curved stripes just to give it a bit more depth. So do the same for all the other bubbles as you put in the little stripe in each of the bubble. Now, the next color, do the same, add a little dot if you need to, and put in those little curves on the bubbles. Make sure they don't fill the whole bubble, just at the tips. Each bubble should look slightly different with its own little glow and shape. Take your time and enjoy the process and watch the magic appear as your bubbles start to float on the canvas. Thanks for painting with Poetic Art, where we paint, write and express. We also have a monthly paint and create subscription kit with different themes. including sunset, blue sunset, moonlight evening, house with lights, and my personal favorite, floating bubbles, and many more to come. You can contact me at nolo@poeticart.org for more details. Let's create together. Poetic art. Paint it again and again.